Hi everyone, a very warm welcome from Arjati Creations. This is our brand new complete course on Whirly and it is absolutely free. We'll be doing the basic levels of Whirly now. In today's lesson, we will be starting a new Whirly painting. So today we are starting the painting. We have taken an A4 sheet. I have taken a white paper. You can take any colored paper that you want, which is light in color. We will be needing the normal uniball pen. Rubber pencil is very much required today because we'll have to draw the figures before we start, and we'll also need the compass today. So let's get started now. I have drawn a 1 centimeter border around it just for creating a look. If you want to get this framed, then you can also create a border like I did in the small painting section. Then after that, what I've done is I have marked 1 centimeter. You can see I have marked 1 centimeter lines here. I have marked a total of 5 lines from below, and then I have again marked 1 centimeter like this. I'm just creating a grid for convenience sake. So you can see I have created this grid. This I have created because I want to draw human figures below also, and I want to create a circle here to draw human figures in the center also. So let me just draw the human figures below before we start drawing it at top. Now you can see, try to draw human figures as symmetrical as possible. See, we have created a line of people like this. Okay. In the same way, we are going to create people in a circle. So I'm going to mark the center point of the left area, and then I'm going to make 2 concentric circles in this particular area. So let me just draw the circles and show you. So approximately I have a area that is there of 19 centimeter. So I'm going to draw my outer circle at 8.5 centimeter. And I will draw concentric circles at 1 centimeter gap. So you have to draw all your concentric circles. The lighter the concentric circles are, the better it is going to be when we are going to ferret it out. Now when you've drawn the concentric circles, you need to decide now that how many people you are going to create. For doing that, we need to divide this. So now wherever you've drawn these lines, on each of these lines first you draw a human figure. Like here, I'm drawing the 2 triangles. So now you have drawn a person on the 4 corners. Now I'm going to draw in the middle 4 corners before I go ahead. So first let me draw here also. Now this way, like I've drawn these four, I'm going to complete drawing all of them. So now I have created people all around in a concentric circles, and I'm going to create a sun in the center. So again, you can take the help of a compass if you want to create a small sun in the center. And you will have to create triangles. Now this way. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my thin marker and I'm going to first outline it. Let me outline it very quickly for you and show you. So now you can see I have outlined the whole thing. I'm going to rub all the marks of the rubber and then I'll show you the rest. So now here I have faired it out and I have rubbed the marks. Now I'm going to take any normal sketch pen and I'm going to color it. So now you can see that this painting is over. I have colored everything. So you can see this is the completed picture, and you can do this in black and white. You can even do a colored version of it. So please make this and make it a part of your template book. Also send us what you have created. Thank you for watching the video. Do like our video and subscribe to our channel for many more such free Whirly videos. And do click on the bell icon so that you can get a notification as soon as we upload the next video. Thanks again and bye-bye.